Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be preparing a delicious vegetarian oats porridge. Let's see what are the ingredients we need for this recipe. 100 gram oats, 15 grams butter, 1 teaspoon mustard seed, half a teaspoon cumin seeds, 50 grams onion, garlic bulb, 100 grams tomato, pinch of turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoon black pepper powder, 10 grams coriander leaves, 500 ml milk, 500 ml water, salt to taste. Let's get started. Take a medium size pot, heat it up, add your butter, let it to melt for a couple of minutes. Once the butter is melted, add mustard seed, let it to crack. Once it cracked, add your cumin seeds, then fry it a little bit. Once it fried, add the onions and saute it. Then I'm adding the garlic and I'm going to saute a little bit, roughly 1 to 2 minutes. You can notice the color change. At this stage I'm going to add my tomatoes and saute the tomato until it's mashy texture. Now I'm going to add water and enough amount of salt, turmeric powder, and then black pepper, let water to boil. You will see the water is boiling now. At this stage I'm going to add my oats in it and try to mix it as soon as possible. And when it's turned into the thick paste, I'm going to add the coriander leaves. Then just give a 1 or 2 minutes to stir. Then add your milk. Once you add the milk, one more time let it to boil and you can see it's getting thicker. This porridge you can finish it within 10 to 15 minutes. And I'm going to serve straight away. If you left it for a while, then you have to add a little bit extra water or the milk, because if you leave the oats it will start to thick more and more, and you can serve it hot. I hope you enjoy this recipe. I'll see you in my next video. Please stay tuned to my channel. Until then, bye from Chef Fatima Shifnaz.